why right now might be one of the best times to buy into the Bitcoin miners. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing two Bitcoin mining companies, okay? One by the name of Riot and another by the name of Mara. And I just want to show you guys why we think it's a good time, if you don't have a position in Riot or Mara, why this would be a great opportunity for you guys to dig in and get yourself some shares, okay? There's a couple of reasons why, but like Riot and Mara, they seem to fluctuate the same. So they both follow Bitcoin as their source because obviously they're Bitcoin miners. But we're going to show you in this video why we think right now we've just hit a very, very solid support. And every time it hits a support level, usually we'll show you what happens after, okay? But remember guys, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us at InvestingOG. We throw out plays, give updates on stuff, upgrades, downgrades on different stocks. Trust me, it makes a lot of difference because a little bit of information can go a long way, okay? Also, if you're not following us here on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified. Okay, with that, let's get into this video and let's see what's going on with Riot. We're gonna start off with Riot and then Mara, okay? I'm not gonna make this video too long. So I want to show you something very interesting that happened today being Thursday, okay? We all know that we've been on a current dip for the past month, 2 months, whatever it's been. But for these two particular, just a couple of weeks ago or less than a month ago, Riot and Mara were pretty much at all-time highs. And since then, they've pretty much came down about 50%, if you can believe that, guys. 50% discount right now. But the intriguing part is that Bitcoin is actually close to all-time highs. So you would think that Riot and Mara would follow Bitcoin. But in this case, it's kind of lagged back a little bit behind, okay? But I see a perfect opportunity on the horizon, and I'm going to break it down for you. Okay, so if you see this yellow line, we're going on the 6-month chart. I want to walk you through here. This yellow line basically is a support level right around the $33 level, okay? And it's a very strong support level because as you can see here, we hit it today and we jumped right back off of it, okay? And we closed above it. But this same support went back into last month in April, and right after that you see the support here, it jumps up and it keeps going back further. And if you go back to about back in March, yeah, beginnings of March, you can see here that it hit again, and right after it hit, it jumped up, okay? And it went Riot went up all the way up to, what is this? No, $67. So as you can tell on this yellow line, if you follow that line, you have a strong point here, you got a hit here, and it jumps up, and it just did the same thing. And we have to watch this, but anytime it does hit that $33 level, it's a big jump from there. Another interesting thing is that the RSI is showing that it's pretty much oversold and it's starting to turn up and go up, okay? So that's another sign that tells you that I think there's going to be upward pressure on this stock to go up. Every time it hit this $33 level, Riot has jumped up from there, okay? So you can expect a run up. Remember, now if it goes below 32.31, then you can expect continuation of downward movement, okay? Let's look at the second stock here. Let's look at Mara. And Mara has a very, very similar pattern, okay? Very similar, actually. If you look here, there's this consistency that runs here, right around the $30 level, right around the $30 level, okay? I'm gonna draw a line out here for you guys so you guys could see these points. Every time it touches, it's pretty much jumped from there, right around this $29-30 level. If you see this line here, that's about the $29 level for Mara, okay? $29 level, so it held up, and if you see here, you've seen this continuation, same thing, same pattern. 29 for Mara, it's $29 level, $29-30 level, okay? If it goes below that, you're gonna have to watch out. It might go lower. But every time it kind of reaches this area here, it bounces back. Comes down, it bounces back. Look at how many times it's done it. It bounces back. It hits here, it hits here, it bounces up again. Comes down, it bounces up again, and today did the same thing, and you see the green candle here starting to turn up again. Look at the RSI as well, it's starting to turn up again. So with those two stocks, okay, I'm thinking it's going to be a great time right now either to buy shares or average down on your position, because I know that I've been buying shares and I've been averaging down as well. But it's a good time to buy calls if you're interested in buying calls. And I think moving forward, as Bitcoin continues to rise, Mara and Riot will follow. Everything is beaten down right now on the mid cap tech side. But it's a great opportunity for you to take advantage of the dip. Okay, with that, guys, just want to show you some information. If you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notifications on every video that we put out. Okay, thank you guys. With that, have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one.